Hi guys, we had recorded a very beautiful video. It was like one of those magic moments. Kesav had some brilliant insight into about Warren Buffett, and it was just stunning the progress Kesav made. But unfortunately, our cameraman Karthik forgot to turn on the mic. So it was a little bit like a Charlie Chaplin movie where Kesav and me actively spoke with only background score. We thought we would put subtitles to it and let you guys be entertained. But alas, Kesav said, no, sir, we shall record it again. We'll recreate the magic. So this is part 2 to a part 1 that never happened. What, Kesav?
Yeah, sir. But the thing that Keshav said, it's all Vinod sir said. He's the one who said we have to re-record the video. Come, we will do that again in a cool way. That's the main thing I want to register here. Now I have some good questions to ask again. What's that question is? Many of us watched Anand sir videos. The main thing which Anand sir repeatedly says, just buy the stocks, buy the stocks, buy the stocks. One time told, sell the stocks. I didn't even heard that Anand sir never said sell the stocks. So I want to ask Vinod sir, why he didn't say to sell the stocks, sir?
Kesav, you must first buy something to sell. You have nothing to sell. So you don't have to worry.
Sir, tomorrow I'm going to open the Demat account, sir.
Depending on how my team scheduled this video, either Kesav would have opened it, this will be in history, or we are yet to open account. Today is the start of the IPL. So maybe Dhoni has blessed us. And Kesav has broken the coconut and he puts whistle. And we all cheer. But please don't think I'm bullying him. It is Kesav who's bullying us. You can ask the entire team how he bullies Kesav. We have to record at his timings. We always have to say, Kesav, do you have 5 minutes for us
Sir,
to
sir,
record
sir.
one video? After Anand, Kesav is the second hardest person to catch in this office.
No, not like that. Sir, but today I have to ask you.
But it's a valid point, Kesav. It's a valid point. What's the point of buying if you never sell?
Yeah, sir.
It's like what your generation completely says. What's the point of earning money if you can't spend it? All the time, sir, I work my backside off and I'm getting this little pittance. Then you're saying, don't spend it, keep it, keep it, keep it. For what, sir? Same way now you're saying invest. Buy, never sell.
In some way we have to sell.
Correct.
What is the way?
And then you say, look at Warren Buffett.
Yeah, sir.
And you're saying you have $1 billion.
If he doesn't sell the
Sir,
stocks,
how is
could
this
he-
man making money?
Huh.
All his money is only fake money, that means, sir. There's only all shares, is it? Does he doesn't have real cash? Of course he has. And of course he sells. Whoever told you Warren Buffett doesn't sell?
Sir, the most of the time Anand says, if he tells about Warren Buffett, he will tell like this only. Warren Buffett bought this. Warren Buffett bought this. Warren Buffett have this. He never tells Warren Buffett sold this.
Very good. Next time you see Anand, you go tell him, sir, I know Warren Buffett has sold. What all has he sold, you ask him.
Yeah, sir. I will surprise him, sir.
You say, your brother told me Warren Buffett does lots of selling also. What all has he sold me, you tell me. And he'll tell you.
Okay, sir.
Warren Buffett always sells.
Okay.
Warren Buffett moves his money where it grows the most.
Okay.
It's like a plant. You've seen a plant, no?
Hmm.
You'll always look for the sunlight. Warren Buffett is like that. He's constantly looking for the sunlight of money.
Okay.
Wherever money is,
He will be there.
He'll go there.
Okay.
And whatever it is, if it is a stable business and a transparent business and a legal business, Warren Buffett will be there if money is to be made. Important thing. Stable, legal,
transparent.
transparent.
Okay.
He'll be there. If money is to be made there, he'll be inside that.
Okay, sir.
But that is aside. We are not Warren Buffett.
Yeah.
Your case of I'm Vinod.
Yeah, sir.
Correct?
Correct, sir.
Chalo, we're talking about selling shares.
Okay,
When to
sir.
sell shares? Okay, there are a couple of things.
Okay, sir.
You sell shares either for something related to market or the share or something related to person.
Okay.
So first we'll talk about the share which you bought.
Okay.
Not the market, not about your personal thing, why you will sell because of the share you bought. Sometimes you buy a mistake. Warren Buffett's also done this. Warren Buffett bought it for a different reason, mistake. Our reason may be something like we see everybody talking about a certain stock, like Adani or some stock. We see it drop and everybody in the market TV, everyone talking, we think we should also be cashing in quick money and we buy it. Like Satyam when it was falling, a lot of people bought it. Kingfisher when it's falling, a lot of people bought into Kingfisher. Anil Ambani companies were falling, a lot of people bought into it. Then you will see in our comments, Anand sir comments, sir, I bought 1 lakh, now it's worth 10,000. What do I do, sir? What do I do, sir? I bought some penny stock and it went boost. What do I do, sir? What you do, sir, is you cash. Whatever you get and you sell your, get out. Loss is loss.
Okay, sir.
It's a lesson you learn. You learn a lesson that don't go chasing. Everyone makes mistakes. Even Tendulkar makes mistake. Even Warren Buffett makes mistakes, though as stunning as it is. Like Tendulkar got duck first ball. Dhoni's got duck first ball. But they learn from that. What makes you a great investor is you learn from your mistakes.
Okay.
All of us get excited sometimes and make a mistake. So that could be a reason you sell. You bought a mistake. You bought a wrong share. Doesn't matter. Cut your losses.
Okay.
You bought maybe Tata Steel at a wrong price. Okay, now Tata Steel is at this bedrock price, and you're waiting for it to go back there. It may never go back. It may take another 10 years. Maybe it will go back, but maybe you'll find better places to put that money. Anand will never won't agree with me over here.
Okay.
But my thinking is for your generation and my kind of thinking. Let's say you bought Tata Steel at 1,000. You put 1 lakh and you bought, right? It's come down to 500 and become 50,000 rupees. It will go back up to 1,000 rupees again. Maybe it takes some time. Correct? What's the price of Tata Steel now? It's at 104. Okay. So like what Anand said, you may be holding on to it and waiting for it to come back to where it was and to take your money out of the time. But let's say you have another opportunity, like ITC, that opportunity is there. Instead of waiting, you don't know when Tata will go back. It will go back. Tata's a good company and all that's true. But you see an opportunity in ITC being 100 rupees, 120 rupees and it's going to go to 300. You might cut your loss in Tata and move it.
Put it there.
So that's the reason you could be selling.
Okay.
What could be another reason you'll sell is the price dramatically rises. Okay, you've seen this in Ruchi Soya. It's very famous. You'll see it in a lot of our comments when Ruchi Soya was going through the roof. So Ruchi Soya now has become Patanjali food. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The share price in Feb 1st, 2020 was 21 rupees. Okay. Then by by April 24th, from 20 rupees, it started going to 340 rupees.
On that year?
Yes, same year, man.
Oh, okay.
Then by July, Feb to July, it had touched past 1,400 and dropped. Okay. So if you see the share price going up like that, there's something up. You're a value investor. You're not a trader. You're not a betting, gambling man. There's something strange happening. Unless you can explain it. You can explain it business-wise. That Patanjali has got some huge order to go from 20 to 1,000 in 3 months' time. That means they must have secured an order worth billions of dollars. Or some reason. If you cannot see that reason, that means there's something fishy going on.
Okay.
It's better to exit.
Okay.
Because if you don't exit, let's say you think it's good and you double down, meaning you put more money betting on Patanjali Foods. Let's say you've gone past 2,000, 400,000, 500, you bet. Then price collapsed. It came all the way down to 500. Then it took some time to go back. Then it bounced past 1,000 again. Then it dropped. So that kind of volatility is dangerous as a value investor.
Okay.
So you avoid those kind of companies. I'm not pointing any finger at Patanjali Foods.
Okay.
As a value investor, you want to be in a stable environment. I told you, Warren Buffett.
Yeah, sir.
You want to be transparent and stable.
Legal.
And legal. Okay, so if it's not stable, there's a lot of fluctuation, there might be something happening fishy. So it's better to exit.
Exit.
This is my personal opinion.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right? Each of you have your own opinion. Another thing is you have a target price. You see ITC is gone from 100 rupees to 300 rupees. Then you don't see any potential of any growth. You don't think the business of ITC is going to push 300 to 600 in the next 2 years, 3 years. You feel it's going to be stagnant, meaning stay there for some time. So you made your profit, you book it and you move that money somewhere else to another opportunity like ITC.
Okay.
And you allow that money to grow. You know, it's not anything wrong with ITC. There's another opportunity. There's another ITC.
Okay.
Understood? So instead of sitting, it's foolish to sit. If you have another opportunity like ITC where the money is going to become 2-3 times the amount,
just put it there.
You'll move it there. If it's as good as the ITC is. You move it there and you allow that to grow.
Understood, sir.
Okay, because all of us are not Warren Buffett. We don't have billions of dollars. We have a little money. And you want a little money to keep moving it around so it keeps growing. Like I said, that plant explanation. You want to keep removing the weeds and keep trimming all the plants around it so the main plant keeps getting the most sunlight so it grows the most.
Grows more.
So same concept here. Okay, your target price you reached.
Okay.
Another is all got to do with technical charts and all that, which I am not into. A lot of people look in technicals. Okay, they look at 200-day moving average and all that. And they see the candlestick and it's going up and going on. I'm not into that. So if you're into that or if you're into that kind of trading, you can see if there's some technical reason.
Okay.
You'll exit. You can exit your position which you're sitting in. The other is the fundamentals of the company deteriorates. In a corporate environment, you'll have a great guy, great leader. The son comes, he's not a good boy. He's a playboy or something, goofing around. The company deteriorates. Kingfisher, good example. Anil Ambani, good example.
Correct, sir.
Okay, you'll see father or the grandfather being a great industrial man. Next guy comes.
Spoils all that.
That's why in Tata they're very careful who they pick and choose. JRD chose Ratan. Ratan tried to do the same thing with Cyrus Mistry. Cyrus Mistry was looking like this. They had a difference of opinion on values. He pushed Cyrus out. Now he's trying to find the next guy. Neol son or someone is grooming the next guy to come and sit there because it's very important. Same problem is for Warren Buffett. They're trying to find the right guy to sit in Warren's chair. Warren Tata is very old now.
Yeah, sir.
Everybody around the world is wondering who's going to be sitting in Warren's chair. That question mark. Lots of people are saying Warren is also giving answers, but we do not know. Till Warren leaves, we will not know who will actually be sitting in the chair.
Yeah, sir.
So those fundamentals deteriorate. You have to get your money out. Move your money into a better place.
Okay, sir.
The other thing is a sectorial issue. Let's say you invested in pharma industry. Let's say you bought Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy is doing well. But the pharma, the pharmaceutical, Cipla and all the other guys, Divi's Lab, they're all doing badly suddenly. Suddenly everything is turning bad. But your company is still okay. That means that sector itself may be having a problem.
Okay.
So it might be a contagion spreading to yours. Like when dollar becomes stronger, rupee becomes weaker, all export companies are doing very well. Software companies do very well. But if the reverse happens, then they collapse. So maybe the sectoral trade winds are not looking good for that sector. So maybe you need to exit. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So that could be a reason you sell.
Okay, sir.
The other reason is the market itself in entirety doesn't look all right. Like when the pandemic was declared, markets immediately collapsed. Right? So you have to exit. You do not know. There's uncertainty. Worldwide there's uncertainty. India, Pakistan declare war. Market will collapse. You have to take your money out.
Yeah, sir.
You do not know what's going to happen. Same way, that could be a reason you sell your positions. Take it as cash. Because cash is always king. Because if you have cash, you see an opportunity, you can buy. If you have it as stock and you see an opportunity, you have to sell. Bring your cash and then go. By the time that opportunity may be gone. Understood?
Understood, sir.
So that could be a reason you sell. The other reasons which you could be selling for are personal reasons.
Okay.
We talked about share reasons. We talked about market reasons. Other reasons could be personal. You could be under some financial need. Your son needs to go to college.
At that time, we can.
Your daughter needs to get married. You're selling. All these Anand will not agree with. But we are personal people. We're not Anand. We're not Buffett. We and you are Keshav and we're not comedy twins. So we need money to do.
Yeah, sir.
Then like I said in that other video, you are saving all this money. I tell you financial goal. And you said my short-term goal is to buy Ducati bike in 5 years. And you've been saving and investing. Now you've made that money. So now it's time to buy, enjoy it.
Yeah, sir.
I cannot tell you that time and say, hey Keshav, I know you saved 25 lakhs. Well, let's do something else with it.
I'll be pissed as hell.
Yes, you'll be pissed as hell. You'll be like, dude, all this time I did whatever you said.
Yeah, sir.
It's like cheat meal. The trainers making you lift weight. You wait for that bloody cheat meal. Then you're waiting to eat that pizza and the pizza comes and the trainer says, hey, you're good all this time, man. Why do you want the cheat meal? You will tell the trainer, get lost. I don't want the gym. I don't want to do training. I just want to eat cheat meal rest of my life. That's what will happen. You'll get frustrated.
Yeah, sir.
If you don't enjoy it now and then, what's the point of living life? Life itself will be very boring.
True.
Not everybody wants it. Buffett enjoys. Making money gives him happiness.
Okay.
Not all of us are like that. We want to make money to enjoy a little bit of life and have some freedom.
Yeah, sir.
For us, just seeing money grow and grow, after a while, 1 crore is 1,000 crores, 10,000 crores makes no difference to you and me.
Yeah. The spending is happiness, sir.
Correct. So we are different. So we need to have that.
Okay.
So that could be a reason. Other could be some medical reason. Hospital or whatever. So these are reasons for you to exit your positions.
Okay, sir.
Or another reason could be you've invested. Now you have reached the age of 50. Okay, you want to retire. So you liquidate all your positions, put it into this bond scheme. So you get monthly income.
Okay.
Stocks don't give you monthly income. Shares do not give you
monthly income.
But you need monthly food. You need daily bread. So when you lose your job, you decide to retire, you need monthly flus. So you take it out, book all your shares, take a profit out and put it into bonds. So you get monthly returns.
Okay.
And you can live happily. That could be a reason. These are broadly the reasons for you to sell.
Okay, sir.
But like I told you in the beginning of the video, you can only sell when you buy. If you never buy, don't worry, you will never have to sell.
I'm going to be an investor. I'm going to buy shares.
But I'll tell you something
Okay,
which
sir.
we discussed in great detail.
Okay, sir.
Investing is like anything which you do. Like you see guys go to gym. Initially they'll hate going to gym. But after a while they get addicted to it.
Yeah, sir.
They'll be in the gym. They first will be only doing half an hour a day. Suddenly they're doing 1 hour. Suddenly you'll see him going morning one session, evening one session. Then all his friends are gym friends. He's left all his other friends. They're all gym friends. All they talk about is gymming and drinking protein shakes and drinking all kinds of stuff. And, life, all the videos, everything, their life is gym. That happens to people who are into investing. They get bitten by the bug, investing bug. It's not about making money anymore. It's just all about investing. They hang around, all their friends are investors. Okay? They're investors and they'll never sell. Because they just keep buying and buying and just keep buying. Like how you buy lots of phones. Some people are into cameras, buy lots of cameras. They're into shares and they just keep buying lots of shares. But that's also a bad thing.
Okay.
Because it's become an obsession. It's very bad. Anything in life you do single track is bad. Like gymming too much is bad for you.
No.
Dieting too much
Bad for you.
It's bad for you. Same way, focusing too much on a subject is bad for you because Anand will disagree with all of this, what I just said. Because his view is different. This is my view. Life should be balanced. Okay? At an age when you should play and enjoy, you should play and enjoy. At an age when you be serious, you be serious. You know, everything in life has its time. A fruit is only nice when a mango grows into full size and then it turns ripe, it's nice. When it's a small mango, it turns ripe, it's a waste.
True, sir.
So you should not ripen too fast in life. Okay? You should wait for things to come.
Okay, sir.
And learn to enjoy what you have at that time.
Okay.
Okay? I don't want you to go to the other extreme where next year I see you every time you're saying, no, I'll never sell, sir. I'm only buying nowadays. What do you do with your salary? Where did you go for holiday? Nowhere, sir. I just bought. You know, case of wearing nice shirt, man. What happened to you? All toned, toned shirt. No, sir. I don't buy clothes also now. I only buy shares. You know, I'll feel very sad for you then. Because that's another extreme. From not having any financial discipline, you go to the other extreme where you're only doing investing. Of course, a lot of people will probably think I'm saying the wrong things. But I do believe life should be balanced. You should get married. You should have all at the right times. And for the right reasons. When you have a reason to sell, you should sell.
Okay.
And it's a personal reason. You cannot ask somebody else for advice. Should I sell? You should not go ask around, should I buy? You should definitely not go around saying, should I sell? Because no one knows why the reason you need to sell. You cannot go around saying, does my kid need an education? They'll be like, are you crazy? Of course he needs. So you decide.
Okay, sir.
All right. Did I give you some clarity on how to sell?
Nice clarity, sir. Full clarity. And when I have to sell. Okay.
Correct. So ask Anand. Next time when you see him.
Definitely I will ask him, sir.
Your brother told me that Warren did sell. What all did he sell? When did he sell? Why did he sell? Please tell us. Let me do one Money Page video with you on explaining why Warren sold what he sold. What are the mistakes Warren made?
Yeah, sir.
You keep saying he's a genius. But even Tendulkar made zero. Like that, what are the zeros of Warren Buffett?
Okay, sir.
What can we learn from that, sir?
I will do this topic with Anand, sir. Definitely.
Like we learn from Arjuna's mistake. Let us learn from Warren's mistake.
Yeah, sir. We'll do that, sir.
Done. Thank you, guys. Kesa will sign us off now.
Yeah. In today's video, we learned so much things. We came to know when we have to sell the stocks. Most of us watching our channels are investors. So be an investor, not obsessed in it. Okay. So buy things, but not too much. That's the moral story of this video. So try to have a balance in your life. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the like, share and subscribe button. If you didn't hit the bell icon, hit the bell icon. Otherwise, you will not get notified whenever we post a video. Thank you for watching Be Rich.
Today I want to tell you that I'm going to be in Singapore and we are going to have an event on the 29th of April 2023. My team will let you know the location later as we come closer to the event. But the event is fixed on 29th at Singapore. Those who want to meet me in Singapore, either at the meeting or personally, can contact the WhatsApp number below or send a mail to the mail mentioned below. I will see you in Singapore. Once again, thank you for your support for Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.